Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through the Narcissistic Abuse Cycle and how you can use it. The Narcissistic Abuse Cycle is a potent tool used by those with narcissistic personality disorder to maintain power and control in their relationships. The cycle, often characterized by emotional manipulation, unfolds in 4 stages: idealization, devaluation, discard, and hoovering. During the idealization stage, the narcissist creates an illusion of the perfect relationship by lavishing their partner with affection, attention, and praise. This phase is designed to make the partner feel deeply appreciated and valued. However, the narcissist gradually transitions into the devaluation stage, criticizing, belittling, and undermining their partner. This shift in behavior can lead to feelings of self-doubt, confusion, and worthlessness in the partner. The discard stage follows, during which the narcissist abruptly ends a relationship or significantly reduces contact with their partner. This sudden change leaves the partner feeling rejected and abandoned. In the final stage, hoovering, the narcissist attempts to pull the partner back into the relationship. This phase may involve promises of change, displays of affection, or even acts of manipulation. To use our free Narcissistic Abuse Cycle, follow these steps. Download our Narcissistic Abuse Cycle from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, stage identification. The first step involves understanding and recognizing the 4 stages of the cycle. Each stage has distinctive traits that help you identify where you may be in the cycle. Pattern observation. Once you know the stages, closely observe the behavior patterns that align with these phases. This could involve sudden shifts from excessive praise to harsh criticism, or abrupt withdrawal of attention and affection. It is crucial to document instances of selfish behavior whenever they occur. This record is tangible evidence of the abuse cycle, making recognizing the patterns and validating your experiences easier. If you suspect that you are caught in a narcissistic abuse cycle, seek the assistance of a mental health professional. A trained therapist or counselor can provide you with necessary guidance, support, and resources to cope with the situation. By following these steps, you can effectively use the narcissistic abuse cycle to recognize patterns of narcissism, understand their impacts, and seek appropriate help. Here is a sample of our Narcissistic Abuse Cycle, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Narcissistic Abuse Cycle, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your partners. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. If you are currently experiencing domestic violence, do not be afraid to seek help from your local refuge or contact your local helpline. In the description is a website link to all the domestic and sexual violence agencies around the world.